In the earlier session, we discussed exercise 1.4 up to the 4 questions. Now see the next question. Here, what's the question here? You have to rationalize this following. Now, what is the first question given here? 1 by 3 plus root 2. If you want to rationalize here, what is the meaning of rationalization? The process of making the irrational denominator into the rational denominator, that we call it as an rationalization. Here, we need to rationalize here, Here, you have to check by which number you need to rationalize such that the denominator will become a rational number. So, here, which number you can rationalize here? 3 minus root 2. Rationalize 3 minus root 2. Then, if you rationalize with 3 minus root 2, then what you get here? 1 by 3 plus root 2. Here, write it here. Rationalize 3 minus root 2 to both numerator and the denominator. If you rationalize with 3 minus root 2, what you get? 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. Why we are doing here the rationalization with 3 minus root 2? Because if you do like this root will get cancelled, so that you will get the rational number. If the root will be cancelled, what we need to do? We need to write in the form of the a square minus b square. Here you can observe that it is in the form of a plus b. Here it is in the form of a minus b. You know that a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So here, for that reason, we rationalize with 3 minus root 2. Now 1 into 3 minus root 2, which is nothing but 3 minus root 2. Here it is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? Which is a square minus b square. Now here, what is the value of a here? 3 square minus what is the value of b here? Root 2. Root 2 whole square. Here, now you can observe that this square and this root will get cancelled. In the denominator, we are getting a rational number. For that reason, we rationalize with 3 minus root 2. Now here, what you get here? After that, what is the value of this one? 3 minus root 2 by what is the value of 3 square, which is 9, minus here what is left out here? 2. Now, what is the value of 9 minus 2, which is 7. So here, we change the irrational denominator into the rational denominator. This process we call it as an rationalization. Now, see the next question. In the fifth question, the second bit, one by root 7 minus root 6. Similarly here, to make the root will be cancelled, which number you need to rationalize here? Again you need to rationalize with root 7 plus root 6. So here, if you rationalize, what you get? Root 7 minus root 6. Here plus is there, so you need to rationalize with, here minus is there, so we need to rationalize with plus. So here into root 7 plus root 6. Since we are multiplying, we need to divide with the same thing, root 7 plus root 6. Now here, 1 into root 7 plus root 6, which is nothing but root 7 plus root 6. Now, here, it is in the form of what again? A minus b into a plus b. What is the formula for a minus b into a plus b? Which is nothing but a square minus b square. You can write it here. What is the formula for a minus b into a plus b? Which is nothing but a square minus b square. Now, what is the value of a here? Root 7. So, write it here, root 7 whole square minus what is the value of b here? Root 6. Write it here, root 6 whole square. Now, this square, this root will get cancelled. This square, this root will get cancelled. Now, what is the left out here? Root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 6. What is the value of 7 minus 6? Which is nothing but 1. You will get root 7 plus root 6 by 1, and which is equal to root 7 plus 6. So here we change the irrational denominator to the rational denominator, and this is the process of the rationalization. Just you need to check the denominator and you make the denominator into the rational form. By which number you need to multiply? Minus is there, you need to multiply and divide with plus. If plus is there, you need to divide and multiply with minus. Now see the next question. The third one, 1 by root 7. Here it is very simple. Which number you need to rationalize here to make to change the irrational denominator into the rational denominator? Just multiply with root 7 and divide with root 7. If you multiply and divide with root 7, what will get? 1 into root 7, which is nothing but root 7. Here how many times root 7 is there? 2 times. So here you can write this one as root 7 whole square. Here this square and this root will get cancelled. So what is left out in the numerator? Root 7. And what is there in the denominator? Which is 7. And you know that it is a rational number. This is the process here. Just you need to check by which number you need to multiply so that the denominator will become a rational number. Now there is one more problem that you can do it as an homework. Now see the sixth question. Here what is the sixth question given? Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. Here in the before question they have given the numerator as 1. Here they change in the numerator. Now see how do you solve this problem. The first one, what's given here? 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Here in the question they said that you have to rationalize the denominator. Now here you can observe that in the denominator here plus is there, so by which you need to multiply and divide with the minus. That means you have to rationalize it. Write this one, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. By which number you need to multiply and divide? 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. This is by rationalizing. So here, since in the question they said that rationalize the denominator, here 6 plus 4 root 2 is there. So you need to rationalize with 6 minus 4 root 2, and for that reason we are multiplying and dividing with 6 minus 4 root 2. Now here you can observe that it is in the form of a minus b into a minus b. Here the same numbers are there. It is in the form of a minus b and a minus b. You know that a minus b into a minus b is nothing but a minus b whole square. How many times a minus b is there? 2 times. So this one you can write it as 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square. Right? And after that again you know that it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We already discussed what is the formula for a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So here what is the value of a? 6 square minus what is the value of b? 4 root 2. 4 root 2 whole square. Now you need to solve this one. So here what we get here? Now expand this one. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? You know that the formula for a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. In that just substitute here. What is the value of a here? 6 square. What is the value of b? 4 root 2 whole square minus 2ab. 2 into what is the value of a? 6, and what is the value of b? 4 root 2. So we have expanded this one with the formula a minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So here 6 square plus 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 into 6 into 4 root 2. Now solve this one. How many times you need to multiply 6? 2 times. What is the value of 6 into 6? Which is 36 minus. Here this square is applicable to both of the numbers. You know that ab whole square is nothing but b square. So by this you can write 4 square into root 2 whole square. This one write it as 4 square into root 2 whole square. Because this square is applicable to both of the numbers, 4 square into root 2 whole square. Now here this square and this root will get cancelled. Now see the numerator. What is the value of 6 square? Which is 36. Again here you need to solve like this. This square is applicable to both of the numbers. So what is the value of 4 square? This one you can write it as 4 square into root 2 whole square. Minus, now multiply it, what you get here? 6 into 2 which is 12. 12 into 4 which is 48. So here you will get 48 root 2 by 36 minus. Now solve it, what you get here? 4 square which is nothing but 16 into what is left of here? 2. Now solve this one. 36 plus here directly I am doing here. This square and this root will get cancelled. What is the value of 4 square? 16. 16 into 2, how much, which is 32. So write it here 32 minus 48 root 2 by here what is left out here? 36 minus 16 into 2 which is 32. Now you need to add these two numbers. After adding, what you get? 6 plus 2 which is 8. 3 plus 3 which is 6. 68 minus 48 root 2 by 36 minus 32. What is the value of that one? Which is 4. Here what we have done here, they have given this one. They said that in the question you have to rationalize the denominator. Since here plus is there, we have rationalized with minus, and after that here it is in the form of a minus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a minus b into a minus b? Which is a minus b whole square. In the denominator it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The formula is a square minus b square. After that what you get here? 6 square is nothing but 36 plus 4 square which is 16 into 2 32. So we got it here 36 plus 32 minus 2ab. After solving we got this one. So we change this irrational denominator into this rational denominator. Here we can take here 4 common in this one. So here what you get here, if you take here 4 common in the numerator, so what you get here? 4 ones 4, right? 2 will remain and 28 will be left out. So here you will get 4 sevens are 28, right? And after that minus again 4 ones 4 and 4 2 6, 12 root 2. Now you can observe that this 4 will get cancelled. You will get the answer 17 minus 12 root 2. Up to here also you can leave it. Otherwise you can take the 4 as the common in these two values. Now see the next question. Root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5. Here in the denominator which symbol is there, plus is there. So you need to rationalize with minus. So here write on rationalizing. We get, so here root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5. This is the given. By which number you need to multiply and divide with minus. So here just write it root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 minus root 5. So since here plus is there, you need to rationalize with minus. Root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 minus root 5. Now again it is in the numerator, it is in the form of a minus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a minus b whole square, that is root 7 minus root 5 whole square by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? Which is a square minus b square. So this one you can write it as root 7 whole square minus root 5 whole square. Now see here, this square and this root root will get cancelled. Here this square and this root will get cancelled. Now expand this one. What is the formula for a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now in that write it here. What you will get here? What is the value of a? Root 7. Root 7 whole square. What is the value of b? Root 5. Root 5 whole square minus 2 into a into b. What is the value of a? Root 7. And what is the value of b? Root 5. And in the denominator, what is left out here? 7 minus 5. So write it here, 7 minus 5. Now here this square, this root will get cancelled. Here also, what is left out here? 7. And what is there here? 5 minus 2 into, here you know that what is the formula for root a into root b? You can write this one as root a into b. So similarly here, you can write root 7 into root 5 as root 7 into 5. You know that 7 into 5 is nothing but 35. So write it here by 2. 7 minus 5, which is 2. Now what is the value of 7 plus 5, which is 12, minus 2 root 35 by 2. Here also you can take here 2 common. If you take here 2 common, what will be left out here? 6 minus root 35 by 2. This 2 will get cancelled. You will get 6 minus root 35. Okay. Here we change the irrational denominator into the rational denominator. See one more question to this. Here, third question you can do it. Fourth question I am saying here now. See the fourth question. What is the question given here? 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. This one you need to find the rationalization with the denominator. What is given here? 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. Here you have to rationalize the denominator. So you need to divide and multiply with minus. So here write it here on rationalizing the denominator. We get what is the given here? The numerator 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. Here by this number you need to rationalize here with 3 root 3 minus root 2. So write it here 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. By using this, we are changing the irrational denominator into the rational denominator. Now see here, in the numerator here, this expression and this expression are different. So here, write as it is. So what is there here? 3 root 5 minus root 7 into, by which number you need to multiply 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now see the denominator. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square? What is the value of a here? 3 root 3. So write it here 3 root 3 whole square minus b square. What is the value of b here? Root 2. Root 2 whole square. Now we need to solve this one. So here, now what is the numerator here? How do you solve this one? The numerator, just multiply this 3 root 5 to whole this term, and after that multiply minus root 7 to whole this term. So here, write it here 3 root 5 into, with this 3 root 5 we are multiplying this whole term. What is that whole term? 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now, which number is left out here? Minus root 7. Now we need to multiply minus root 7 with whole this term. So write it here minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2. Okay. Here what we have done here to the numerator, since it is not in the form of any identity, here you can observe that by before problems and up to now we have used the identity. Here there is no identity applicable for this the numerator, so just multiply by the normal process. How do you multiply? You have to multiply this 3 root 5 to whole this term, and after that again with minus root 7 to whole this term. Now see the denominator. Here it is in the form of again ab whole square. You know that the formula for ab whole square is nothing but a square into b square. So here you will get 3 square into root 3 whole square. Right? This square is applicable to both of the number. 3 square into root 3 whole square minus. Here you can observe that this square and this root will get cancelled. What is left out here? 2. Now you need to multiply these values. How do you multiply these values? See it here. So what is it here? You need to multiply 3 root 5 with 3 root 3. How do you multiply? See it here. 3 root 5. You need to multiply 3 root 5 with 3 root 3. Just multiply the numbers first. What is the value of 3 into 3? Which is 9. And what is the value of root 5 into root 3? You know that root 5 into root 3. It is in the form of root a into root b. You can write it as root 5 into 3. What will get here? Root 15. So here, what we got it here? 3 root 5 into 3 root 3 is nothing but 3 into 3 is 9. Root 5 into root 3 is root 15. So write it here 9 root 15 minus. And after that, what is the next number you need to multiply? We multiplied 3 root 5 and 3 root 3. Here plus into minus is minus. Now you need to multiply 3 root 5 with root 2. So multiply it, what will get? 3 root 5 into root 2. Here 3. What is the value of root 5 into root 2? Which is nothing but root 10. 5 into 2 which is 10. So you get here 3 root 10. Now we solve this one. Now see the next step. Here what we need to do here, minus root 7 into 3 root 3 we need to do. So here write here root 7 into 3 root 3. So here 3. What is the value of root 7 into root 3 which is nothing but 21. 7 into 3 which is nothing but 21. So write it here minus 3 root 21. Now minus into minus which is plus root 7 into root 2 which is nothing but root 14. Now see the denominator here. So this one 3 square which is 9